Your academic CV is more than just a document. It's your chance to showcase your skills, achievements, and potential to UK universities. Whether you're applying for an undergraduate degree, a master's, or even a research program, a well structured CV can set you apart from other applicants. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping students, parents, and school counselors navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of university admissions. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to craft a strong academic CV that highlights your strengths in the best possible way. Unlike a regular job CV, an academic CV focuses on your educational background, academic achievements, research experience, and extracurricular involvement. It's designed to give admissions officers a clear picture of your intellectual capabilities and interests. Now let's break down the essential sections of an academic CV. You start off with your personal information, where you include your name, contact details, LinkedIn profile if relevant, and sometimes a brief personal statement. Next comes your education. Here you list your qualifications in reverse chronological order, including predicted grades if you're still studying. Next comes your academic achievements. Any honors, awards, or recognitions you've received. Next comes relevant experience. Here you include anything related to internships, summer schools, or research projects that support your application. Next comes your extracurricular activities. You can include leadership roles, volunteering, and projects that show your broader interests. Finally, you can put your skills and certifications. This can include languages, software proficiencies, or specialized training relevant to your field. To make your CV stand out, here are some pointers you may like to consider. Keep it clear and concise. Stick to 1 to 2 pages max. Keep it well organized. Use clear headings and bullet points for easy readability. Give examples of evidence-based. Instead of saying, "I'm a hard-working student," demonstrate it with real achievements. Finally, tailor it to your course, highlighting experiences that are relevant to the field you're applying for. Your CV should be professionally formatted with a simple, clean font like Arial or Times New Roman. A font size of 11 to 12 for body text and 14 to 16 for headings. Keep it consistent spacing and layout, and no need for unnecessary graphics or colors. Keep it professional. Before sending off your CV, do a final review. Check for typos and grammar errors. Make sure your contact details are correct. Ask a teacher, a mentor, or advisor to review it. Save it as a PDF to maintain formatting. A strong academic CV can make all the difference in your university application. Keep it clear, structured, and focused on your academic strengths. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone preparing for university applications, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. And if you are looking for support in your university admissions, you can book a discovery call with our experts. The link can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.